Okay, now we're gonna create the second website. This time it's gonna be about Python. Okay, let's see. You can skip ahead because this is gonna take a few seconds. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have our SSS, CSS again inside here, and we have our body, Learn Python, welcome to our website for Learn Python, the script, JavaScript for the toggle. Okay, the website includes a basic HTML structure with a head that includes the title of the website and the CSS styles for the line dark theme. Great. Add a little bit more content on the body. Okay, let's go and start creating a repository until it finishes. So we're gonna call it Python, a simple website about Python, about learning Python. Okay, let's go. We're gonna add a README file and MIT license. Let's create the repository. Okay, and we're gonna make an index.html file. HTML, I said, yes. Let's paste that in. And where's the content? Body. It added also a container. What? Let's see. We have a container here. No. It keeps writing. Okay, great. We have our CSS body. We have also a container for the max width and margin. Okay, let's see. Learn Python. Now it's making the JavaScript code for the button. Okay. This is gonna take a few seconds. Okay, that's done. Let's go. Let's replace all that and commit the file. Great. And now we're gonna go to settings. We're gonna go to pages. We're gonna have our branch be on the main branch, and we're gonna deploy from branch, and that's a static HTML. So we're gonna commit that, commit new file, and probably, yeah, it's starting to build and deploy the page. Okay, let's wait for that a little bit. You can skip ahead if you're bored. Let's give it a little bit of time. Until then, I'm gonna fix the repository a little bit. We're gonna add here the website. That's gonna be the website. Okay, save changes. Let's see, is it keep going? Okay. Let's add some topic, Python, ChatGPT. Yeah, that's okay. Let's see. Actions. Okay, it's done. Let's refresh that, and it's ready. That looks much better from before. Let's see our Java website. Yeah, that's on the center, and if we make it smaller, yeah, it looks better. I like it. Yeah, learn more on how to install, that goes nowhere. But it's okay, it's pretty good for a start. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. So see you on the next video.